Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to self-install the Optimum Internet, Modem, router and activation guide. So, the step 1, unpack your kit. Optimum Gateway combines the modem and router into one device. Coaxial cable, thick black cable with a screw-on metal connector. Then a power cord, then a Ethernet cable. Optional for wired device connection. Step 2, connect the gateway. Place the Optimum gateway in a central and open a location near a working cable outlet. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to the wall cable outlet. Connect the other end to the cable port on the back of the gateway. If your home requires a splitter, install the including coaxial splitter before connecting the gateway. Step 3, power on the gateway. Connect the power adapter to the gateway and plug the adapter wall into a wall outlet. Press the power adapt buttons if your gateway has one and wait several minutes while the gateway start up. The status light blink during a startup and become steady once the device is online. Step 4, start the self setup process. Locate the QR code on your self install guide, shipping leaves or store receipt. Scan the QR code using your smartphone camera and alternatively use the activation link provided in the Optimum email or next message. Then follow the on-screen instructions to activate your gateway and internet service. Step 5, connect your device. Using a Wi-Fi, you can open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet or computer. Select the Wi-Fi network, the name SSID, print on the gateway label, enter the default Wi-Fi password found on the gateway sticker. Wait until your device confirms it is connected. Using Ethernet, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the computer, connect the other end to the one of the Ethernet LAN port on the gateway. The device should automatically connect to the internet. Step 6, test your internet connection. So open a web browser and visit a website. Then run a internet speed test if you want to verify your connection. Once the activation is complete, your Optimum internet service is ready to use. The step 7, customize your Wi-Fi optional. So after activation, you can personalize your Wi-Fi network name and password, sign into your Optimum account. Then open the My Optimum app or the network management page. Then change your Wi-Fi network, the name, SSID and password and save the changes. Then reconnect your device using the new credential. Goodbye and thanks for watching. इसे क्या हो गया